So we have, again, now this is a curve we should be able to picture in our head. Starting at the origin, this particle traveled along, and they say at 4, 2, all right, they say that dx dt is 3 centimeters per second. Particles moving along this curve, passes through 4, 2. Its x-coordinates changing at a rate of 3 centimeters per second. How fast is the distance from the origin changing at this instant? I would say this distance, and maybe to make it easy to call it x, y, and z instead of using d. They want to know dz dt. Okay, well, my equation I see is this. And since it's a related rate problem, right, I have some choices. Now, I know if I take the derivative of this, I'm going to end up with dz dt, which I want to find, dx dt, which I know, but I'm also going to get dy dt, which I don't know. But I know the relationship between x and y. It's the root function. So y equals square root of x. Well, I can either take the derivative of both sides and calculate dy dt, right, by plugging in the value at that point, which x is 4, which is a lot of work, okay, which I'm not going to do. Or can I substitute y in and write this? Oh. And I think before I even do the derivative, I get this then. Now I'll take the derivative of this function, 2z dz dt plus equals, sorry, not plus, equals 2x dx dt plus 1 dx dt. And that's a lot easier because I know when I start checking things off, I know dx dt, I know x is 4. I can calculate, do you guys agree I can calculate z? Because at this instant, they're 4 and 2, so Pythagorean theorem, 4, 2, you guys agree 16 plus 4? I get the square root of 20 for z. Now I can reduce that, but why bother? All right? So I'll just plug in our knowns. All right? I'll plug in 2 square root of 20, dz dt, which I don't know, equals 2 times 4 times 3 plus 1 times 3. 8 or 12 times 2 is 24 plus 3. You guys get 27. Yep. If I divide, I get dz dt equals.
You're not adding though. 27. And then 24, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 2 is 24.
Plus 3.
Oh, I see.
Yep, I did one step to get the sum. Yep, I multiply that and add it. Get 27. And again, at this point, I would have to rationalize or get a decimal. We agree? I'll rationalize. And does it make sense that it's increasing?
Yes.
Yeah, it makes sense that it's increasing. I would agree. This is 2 squared of 5. So I get 4 squared is 5, squared of 5, times 5. And there is the rate of change for how fast the distance is increasing from the origin.
I don't know what I went wrong.